If you're looking for a reliable and professional HVAC for your home or business, you've come to the right place. We're proud to be the top local HVAC service around, and we're committed towards having happy and satisfied customers. We would love to handle all of your heating and air conditioning needs. Whether you are looking for new equipment or repairs, we would love to help you. Are you having trouble finding a contractor that is reliable and available to help you when you need it? Don't trust this job to just anyone. You deserve a contractor who is experienced, skilled, and available to help you right away. Whether your heating and air conditioning needs are large or small, we would love to help you. Don't suffer in unbearable temperatures any longer. Give us a call today.